Is he okay?
Uzi, what are you doing? No, I know. I need more padding.
All right, guys, we are here for the most exciting adventure of our lives.
I just got here.
This is The Floor is Lava. So here's the situation here. We're gonna Rochambeau to see who goes first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 19th.
We haven't warmed up at all.
We haven't warmed up at
We
all.
all just got here.
It's freezing, but it's okay because the floor is lava, so it's gonna heat up fast.
I can't feel my toes. It needs to be actual lava so I can feel my toes.
Dude, I hate when that happens. Like when you lose feeling in one single toe.
So apparently they wanted to start us out with A, ruining the 20-foot box forever, and ruining your life by having to ollie into this. There's no way. From there into that?
Yeah.
The
No,
whole thing.
no, we
Yes,
didn't.
I have a video of it.
Look at this.
I know, but the point is you're going so fast you're not going to have time to linger on it.
Okay, so ollie into there, ride down this, hit this, and if you hit that, you dead.
Yep.
That's it. Lava, dead.
So far, what do you think?
I actually like this course.
You better.
So
This
then-
is the dustiest, most slippery ramp in the Braillehouse.
So then you ollie onto this, you slide out and nail your face on the keyboard.
Exactly.
From there, ollie onto this, over this gap,
Three
tray
flip.
flip, late flip, land, come here, and then you're gonna hit this, and then your face goes into that rail.
Perfect.
Or you can ollie onto this, ollie over, or slide the rail. You're gonna slide that rail, come up this ramp, land on this piece of wood here.
Which is very, very thin. And if you touch the concrete, you catch on fire.
You're dead. And then come up here, come up this, back nose blunt, pop in, come back into this. And then this part, just don't know how it's gonna work, Gabe. You're gonna somehow get enough speed from that to go up this. Look at this.
You can take 1 foot off your board. You can't take both feet off. So push and like kind of try and position yourself.
So no
Weird.
kick flips. And then ollie onto this, and then come over here, and then ollie over this onto the most wax box in the Braillehouse. Thank you, hashtag Carlos. So you're probably gonna ollie, try and turn and go like this. Boom.
Good.
And then come to here, up this ramp, up this ramp, up this ramp to this,
And it teeters.
and then, whoa, teeter.
And as soon as you get both wheels on the mini ramp and roll away, you are a victor.
And by both wheels, he means all four. In game. All right, let's Rochambeau to see who goes first. Please don't go first. Please don't go first.
Fetty, I'm very proud of us on this build. Good job.
Yes. That was a team effort.
Fetty and Gabe built this. Wow. They're winners.
Oh, where did you get this, Carlos?
Like a true
Funniest story.
Like a
The streets are watching.
Funniest story. It came with the car.
Sure it did.
What do you think, Troy? You getting in on this?
Dude, this looks nuts. I'm gonna have to try it. Maybe not on
Good.
video.
Good.
Not on video.
Hey, tape the side.
Woo! Feel that burn. Oh, yeah.
I just want you to know, you asked for this, okay? You asked for a floor's lava, and Fetty and I gave it to you, okay? So if you never want to do one again, I understand. But this is your
I
floor's lava.
want to do this every day. I've been training for this American Ninja Lava Warrior my entire life.
Good.
Every time I text you, you don't even respond, and now you want to tell me something?
There are very little pebbles left in here, okay?
No, I see one right there.
Well, I said very little, but there still are some. Maybe we should just build a new mani pad.
I've been thinking about that, yeah. We need some thicker plywood on that mani pad so it's not like this.
Take me home.
Why is the shortest person not on a box?
Because I'm down here. I'm the underlord, fool.
That means one of you are going first.
You want to switch?
Hey, Daniel, where are you going? Come back.
Put it on the board.
Can we do an actual switch, like a flip flop? Because I kind of want to go
I want to
first.
actually observe him first.
So you're first and he's second?
Yeah, we're agreeing on this right now.
I will allow it.
Okay.
Just this one time.
I'm last.
Dang it. I wanted last. Yeah, second
Okay,
to
so-
last.
The order is Nigel, Carlos, Uzi, Aaron, Fetty. Does that sound right? I'm not gonna lie, I have no idea how I'm gonna film this yet.
I'm going last, fool. Wow, guys. Good job on the build, eh? This is deadly. Somebody could literally die.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah, we're ready. I love all the wax caked on this box everywhere.
Yep.
Slowly as safety. All right, hashtag notification squad. I have two things for you today. First of all, who do you think is going to make this first? And second of all, how many obstacles did we use here? Leave it in the comments below, hashtag notification squad. We will pick one winner and send you a special prize package. Round one, Nigel Jones, Jamba Juice. First try.
way harder than I thought it was gonna be.
He didn't hit the lava.
Fetty, you evil mother sucker.
I did it. Okay.
You did do it. You're right.
Lost speed. No! That's the hard part. That's the hard part.
No!
He made every most difficult obstacle in the world, and then he fell rolling off of a little box.
You're on fire!
How does it feel to be on flames?
I've been waiting for this.
He wanted this video.
Here we go.
This is gonna be interesting.
A course like this is it's more about intelligence really than pure brawn and short ribs.
No.
You said you could bone with.
No! I said no!
I don't know how to do this one intelligently. It just is what it is. Dang it! That's not okay. That's not right. He built the course. He's cheating.
That was amazing.
Nigel told me too. I was like, no.
Nigel did say, you did say. Nigel was like, Fetty's gonna land it first try.
The end there was good. Oh, it makes you so nervous. You got it.
You got it, dude. Back him up. Play it smart. Oh, you're so good. You're so good.
Oh my goodness!
What are you doing? What happened? Oh
This
no.
crevice right
It's
here.
a crevice. It's a dangerous crevice.
Funniest thing is, I'm doing all into it and it doesn't move. Dang it! Lost my footing. Cheating.
Medic! Medic on the scene! Is he okay?
Oh my gosh. I completely lost my footing.
I'm out. I'm done.
Yes. Oh, that was brilliant.
Carlos never played this game as a kid.
Dang it, dude.
You broke the freaking course. It's your time to shine. I'll give you points for creativity there.
Wait. Oh, I could have lost it all.
Oh, watch it!
How do you do that? Wow. Really? Wait. Oh, wait. I think it was the most creative.
Yes. What do you think, Fetty?
I'll allow it.
He said, I'll allow it. Oh, watch your wheels!
It got moved!
Hold on, come back. This way.
It's fine.
Come on, man.
Please stay alive.
Carlos, you are right though. When you ollie onto the box, it moves not at all.
Dude, that's horrible.
Wait, you were so good.
I know, I forgot your foot to come off.
Prep, prep.
Yeah! Oh my goodness! Woo! That's the hardest course.
If
That
I
is
do say so myself,
by far-
I think this is the best one.
Funny thing is, I nearly fell right here, rolling off of this.
From my angle, it looked like you just slipped on a banana peel and
Almost
died.
did.
Fetty was doing this to see how it works. Rolls onto this, eats it so hard, just rolling onto this. Like it looks like he hit a layer of banana peel, dude.
This close from going off the
I
side right
felt
there.
it, I felt it.
Literally, like you know when, since his wheels were on the little raised part,
Yeah.
it like floated over the lava
Oh
like that.
man.
We gotta get
His wheel melted a little bit right there.
Yeah, it happens. You know, it happens.
It felt the heat for sure.
We gotta get Daniel through this.
Yeah, he's got it.
Dude,
I'm pulling out all the stops for this one.
right here.
All right.
Now do you feel like you could do it? You made it to the very end.
Yeah, I got it. I'm cursed.
Why?
The floor's lava.
This is the one for Taylor Swift.
Possible. We gotta coach him through this. He has to make it. Ollie a little higher onto there. It's
Okay.
so much easier.
This one I
But
guarantee
take
I'm
your
gonna
time
win.
as needed, okay?
It may not be fast, but I'm making it.
Daniel! It's okay.
And I probably won't be able to
You're gonna
write
take the
ever
shell off
again.
and you're gonna land it. Oh my God, Daniel! He
You just punched the camera. Oh. My heart is racing.
Whoa! You made it! It's the greatest day of our lives! How do you feel?
I feel injured, but I feel great.
I feel injured, but I feel great.
I did it without my shell.
Like a true champion. Well played. Saw you out there. I saw that glare in your eyes. The form, the most stylish. All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed that video. We had a blast making it for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Check out all the other videos that we have right there. There are some other episodes of this series on the Braille Army channel, which if you have not subscribed to that, you definitely should go there and subscribe. So hit up the Braille Army channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We'll see you in the next video.
Yeah.